Hey everyone, my name is Sherry Wind and I'm going to be your instructor this semester. I love to teach psychology and I hope that comes across during this semester. Many students come to class, take this course for all kinds of reasons, but predominantly because they're curious about human behavior. So you've come to the right place. I try to do my best to make this course come alive. I teach it in a practical way where hopefully the information feels relevant, useful in your everyday life, and you can walk around the world and think, yeah, there's psychology happening. I grew up in New York City, and at times you'll hear my New York accent come through, so don't make fun of me. Growing up in New York has made me who I am, just like growing up wherever all of you have grown up have made you what you are. We're going to talk a lot about concepts such as what we call nature-nurture. Nature is who we are as people, like genetics, how we are born into this world. And then nurture is everything that happens. So for me, growing up in New York made a large impression on who I am as an individual. So I hope again that we all get to know each other this semester, get to know ourselves better as we walk through the different topics of psychology. I live down the road in Boulder, Colorado. I've been out here for 20 years. I have 3 children, 2 in their 20s. One just started a freshman here at CU this fall, just as many of you are starting college this fall. So you'd say I have an empty nest. My husband and I have been together a long time. We do a lot of fun things in Colorado, as I'm sure all of you do as well. The other part I'd like you to know about me is that I'm also a psychotherapist, which means I have a license to practice counseling. The title is called an LPC, a licensed professional counselor. And the reason I share this with you and the benefit that you all get is that you'll have a lot of real-life examples of the types of the materials that we're talking about. So I always like to bring in our discussions or online in these kinds of video discussions, different stories that I experience with different clients, of course, confidentially, anonymously. You will not know these clients, but it helps really make some of the mental processes, some of the discussions we have much more practical, much more applicable to our everyday lives. So I have a part-time practice, I'm a part-time instructor, so I feel like both of those, I get the best of both worlds. People always ask me, what do you like better? Do you like to teach? Do you like to do therapy? And I love to do both. So I look forward to seeing you online quite often. You'll see many videos of myself, of lessons I'll do, sort of what I'll call mini lessons throughout the semester. I hope to get to know all of you. And thank you for listening. Thank you for being in this course. And I look forward to a great semester. Thanks, everybody.